wabarakatuh.
I would like to introduce my team. We are from class 12 Teknik Kendaraan Ringan 1 and we are group 2. Start from me. My name is Cynthia Novitasari and my student number is 11. Next.
My name is Dimas Rika and my student number is 16. Next.
My name is Andika Pesal Pramuditya and my student number is 5.
And me, my name is Ajimai Saputra. My student number is 4. We would like to present our presentation.
Descriptive text. Definition of descriptive text and descriptive text structure. Descriptive text is a text that describes a person, animal, or thing. This explanation or description includes the from, nature, amount, and others. Identification or identification, general description of a topic. Description and explanation containing the special characteristic processed by object, place, or people do. Language factors descriptive text. Specific participant has a certain object is not general and unique, or there is only one. For example, Uncle Jack, Borobudur Temple. The use of adjective or adjectives to clarify nouns. For example, a handsome man, a beautiful woman. The use of simple present tense. The sentence pattern use is simple present because it tells the facts of the object being described. Action verbs. There are verbs that indicate an activity or the activity can be seen. For example, run, walk, cut. This example of descriptive text.
Business letter. Definition and purpose. A type of letter or informal composition that usually concerns personal matters rather than professional concern and is sent from one individual to another. The main difference between personal letter and other letter is the content of the letter. The purpose about the personal letter is to convey personal opinion or interest. Next. Generic structure. 1. Date. This is the date when the letter is written. 2. Name, address, city, and zip code. These are name, address, city, and zip code of the sender. 3. Solution and name of recipient. The greeting usually starts with the word dear, followed by the given name of the recipient or relationship, and it ends with a comma. 2 examples are shown. Dear Ronald, dear uncle. 4. Introduction. This is the opening of a letter. It may include greeting like, how are you? Sometimes you may refer to a previous letter. 5. Body. This is the main part of the letter. It includes the message to the letter when to tell the recipient. It is often divided into paragraphs. 6. Closure. This part indicates the letter is going to end. The writer may ask the recipient to reply her. 7. complementary clause. The short expression includes a few words on one line. It ends with a comma. Some examples are shown below. Your sincerely, best regard, love. And the end is signature, the signature of the writer. This is example of personal letter.
Definition recontext. Recontext is type of text that contains stories about or experience in the past. The purpose of recontext is usual to retell and provide information and entertain the reader. Structure recontext. Orientation. At the beginning, we need to write down the character or character, the location, and also the time it occurs. In this section, we introduce and provide information to the reader in order to understand the whole story that we write. Even the second structure is the content of the text or in the form of story about event or experience that the author want to convey to the reader. Reorientation. The third structure contains conclusive and summaries or repetitive information in the orientation structure. Features of recontext. Recontext use the past tense or past tense. For example, the use of verbs 3 when wake up, different, burn, art, and so on. Recontext use part of space, adverb, and adverbial to explain the time, place, and manner. For example, like October, Bandung, under the day, at the park, so on. Recontext use part of speech, conjunction, and time contiguous to order event in the story to form a coherent text. Example, such as and after the that, before, and so on. Generic structure recontext. Orientation, the first structure that contains information about the character, the place of the incident, when the incident took place, and so on. The information provided by the author is expected to provide the knowledge or information needed by the reader in order to understand the storyline. Even the second structure is content of the text or in the form of story about event or experience, and the author find to convey to the reader. Orientation, the third structure contain conclusion and summary or repetition of information in the orientation structure. Language feature recontext. Using personal participant such as I, my, me, and so on. Using chronological connection such as first, then, and so on. Using linking verbs such as will, was, heard, saw, and so on. Using action verbs such as go, look, dance, run, and so on. Using the simple past tense. This is example recontext.
Prosedur text. Definition prosedur text. Prosedur text is that the content step to the something. The from can vary or serve, such as how to entertain, customers. How to make an object,
And group 1.
how to use or operate a thing, how to take care of documents and many more. Prosedur teks adalah teks yang memuat langkah-langkah untuk melakukan sesuatu. Bentuknya bisa bermacam-macam seperti cara menjamu pelanggan, cara membuat sesuatu benda, cara menggunakan atau mengoperasikan suatu hal, atau cara mengurus dokumen, dan masih banyak lagi. Next. Social function of text procedure. The procedure text of this text is to explain how to make or operate some things with clear and subtle steps. Example to procedure text: how to receive guests at the workshop. How to receive guests. First, good morning, can I help you? Second, we ask to complaints that occur on the vehicles owned by customers. Then we ask if there is damage to the components in the vehicles. Do you want to replace it not? If we have done the customer's vehicles and if it can be replaced, we replace the damaged components. When it is finished, we go to the server and say if the vehicles is finished and ready to be used. Then let the customer make a payment to the cashier. Conclusion. The conclusion of this the produce is where the explain about how to entertain or refresh customer in the workshop. Next.
Attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi